Yo, I say if this come out, ranking of a priest and me send over there to you.
Look like on a love problem. Just when we are build back the peace, this gonna make happen.
Listen, what is done is done. You just have to go find a way to just move past this now.
Kerry, what you mean by what is done is done? How are we are run from? And you see look like I hit about to start now.
Robert, you want a loudspeaker? Why you talk like you want everybody to hear?
That's not difficult still. Because your sister not to eat from people.
Boy, that's a true still, you know, King. That's true. But some more time in our life, certain things have to happen to teach you a lesson, you know. I say karma is a wicked thing, you know, King, man. They don't want to know say between me and you. Zane, you know, say Clarice, you gremlin a piece of money. You can lick down for the two little youth them.
Oh, a little youth them? Who that?
It is some butcher, man.
A joke, yeah, me. For what? Don't tell me say I the same chopper incident.
Yeah, same thing, brother. It's like she don't intend to leg off her son murder at all. She understand? It's nothing I can tell her. They don't want to know say it's just through the youth more loyal to me. Cause you know them youth I'm a soldier for years. I saw the youth go so boom and give me a call and I show me the vibe and I say link me. Now if I tell him to bring her money go give her back, brother. You understand? Kerry, you come like this, you take this as a joke. You know what can happen if them find out this? Remember, you know, your family, you know, you can get away, you know.
Welcome to the family. That's why Uno, I forgot keep on the mouth shut.
Lord Jesus, Kerry me no want got prison left my pitney, you know.
Wait, I want to Uno. Uno realize it's a do or die situation this. I Uno me do it fine now. You Marissa, look how the woman did that treat her like shit. And all of a sudden she take away your pitney. You Robert and you Butcher. Uno realize that the woman did gonna make sure say Uno dead. She sent somebody phone, you know. Uno realize one boy when named Gremlins.
Just as we have tried formalize things in the place with the youth them. Because we want them see say we have put things in place to benefit them in our area.
So King man, you don't want to know, say just the other day, I call the two youth them over here and give them a piece of food. I make them know, so watch on the youth and I go invest in the little thing when I see you not try. Because man love so you try, no King man.
Right.
Yes, if I know youth to try, I will support him. You understand? Me have to make sure you know so them things them nah go work higher.
I don't know why forget this thing here. Gel together. Come up against so much obstacles.
King man, I'm a sister, you know. I'm a lover. I know deep down in my heart that she go live a lot. She go through a lot. You understand? Because you don't know it's not an easy thing to lose a child, you know.
True that.
See? But me I try to show her and say, yo, sis, the little youth was a very dangerous little youth and him not take no talk. You understand what I say? And I see him with daddy did say that's why they have to lick it down.
We know say bad Indian, we couldn't allow him to last. Because him the too corrupt.
And a little one, her to love out that youth the company in the higher. And the worst thing she gotta do, I go breed for him. You understand what I say? And I say the seed comes same way, brother. There's nothing you can tell the youth for him chill.
Ranking. You see you and I, and we are the elders in the game, you know. So you see any changes we have to come, we have to be the pint man, the pioneer in it, you know. Because I remember, you know, it take me going to Germany to go rub some sentence to get my attention, you know, for some of the griminess where we go on with, you know.
Gremlin.
Yeah, I want slim coolie boy who ride bike.
And that the boy that we see over ranking the day, butcher?
The year, brother. The day when I miss Bissett go over there.
The boy all bunks before my shoulder to you know.
So, hold on there. So, Gremlins did they over Leicester?
Yeah, you know, Kerry. The same day when him tell we say everything good with Clarice.
Right now, I come and even know everything, brother.
Just think, sir. Uno, owe me on a life.